Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Eddie Vision. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now, the squad is now out. Happy days. Now the squad is out to face Mexico in Mexico at the Azteca on Sunday. So I'm here basically to give a quick reaction to this squad. And for me, it's a very, very decent squad. I know when squad drop, people always complain, oh, this man should be in it, this man should not be in it. Come on, at this stage now we must put our trust in the coach. So let's all trust Coach Algrimson. I like his approach. This match is a competitive match, it's not a friendly, it's not against Trinidad and Tobago, no offense. But both teams will be going at it. They're playing for a trophy, serious game in the Nation League. While the Europeans might not take this competition seriously, here in the CONCACAF region, I know the countries take the Nation League very seriously. And you can see by the squads. Both teams deploying good players. We look at the squad for Mexico compared to Jamaica. Both are strong teams. So in keeping with Coach Algrimson's plan at looking at players, he's now looking at Connor Boyce Clark. First call up for him, congrats to the young man. He's also looking at Amal Knight. Also he'll be looking at Amari Bell, Ethan Pinnock, and Taxi Lawrence. And another first time call up, Jonathan Russell. So he's still looking at players. However, the majority of the squad is a very experienced squad, and a squad that can get a result in Mexico. Coach Algrimson is going to war, pretty much. So, no Whisper, no Omari Hutchinson. The reason for Omari Hutchinson, he stated that Omari Hutchinson is out because of personal reasons. So, obviously he was called and he said he could not make it. So that's the reason why Omari Hutchinson is not in the squad. Meanwhile for Whisper, a lot of raised eyebrows coming in the local football fraternity. And a person saying, where's Whisper? No Whisper, no party. But let me tell you something. But I know the reasons why Coach Algrimson did not select young Whisper. He stated in his interview that, look, Whisper is good. He has a future with the Reggae Boyz. You understand? But his experience. He is the youngest in the squad and the one with the least amount of experience. And going into a big Mexico game, it will be very, very difficult for the young lad if he got a chance to play. So while Coach Algrimson is not ruling out Whisper being in the team going forward, but for this game, this competitive game against Mexico, he will not use him. And also people, let's also remember, Whisper needs to stay fit for when he goes to Chelsea. So throwing him in the Lions Den up in Azteca against a strong Mexican team that is not going to shy away from the tackles. They won't show Whisper any respect, unlike the Trinidad and Tobago team. They knew Whisper. If you notice that game, or those two games, not a lot of yellow cards. I can't remember any yellow card in the second game being issued. So that was show you how that game was very friendly. But this Mexico team will not be as kind as the Trinidad and Tobago team. So that's something else to think about, folks. So before we run and cuss the coach, he should be in the team. Whisper got 2 games. 2 games at 17 years old. You understand? So there's hope. So don't just cuss the coach and Whisper not in the team. We must also remember that this coach also said that he got a lot of bashing from the public for even selecting Whisper for those 2 games. You understand? And Whisper is out of the team now and he's still getting bashing. So it's a thin line, people, so we must just understand and trust the process. Big up Whisper, but there will be other opportunities for you to shine. Okay? So continue learning your trade and try and get a little bit better before you even reach the Chelsea. Go in the gym, pump some irons and try to be a little bit more stronger. So again, let's go through the squad. Jamal Waite, Connor Boyce Clark, Amal Knight. Those are the 3 goalkeepers. Amari Bell, Ethan Pinnock, Dexter Lembakisa, Adrian Mariappa, Damon Lowe, Ricardo King, Javane Brown, and Kemar Taxa Lawrence. Those are the defenders. The midfielders, Jonathan Russell, Bobby D. Cordova-Reid, Demario Phillips, Kevin Lambert, Daniel Johnson, Ravel Morrison, and Kaim Paris. Forwards, Jamal Lowe, Corey Burke, Trevante Stewart, Shamar Nicholson, and Leon Bailey. So there you have it, fans, the squad to face Mexico on Sunday in Mexico at the Azteca. Love the team, like the balance. We're going to war. Al Grimson wants to get the 3 points and move on to the semi and onto the final to play 2 more games. We need the games. The Guatemala game for April has been cancelled, so it will be good for us to get the results so we can play at least 1 more game. So fans, let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought about this squad. Are you happy with the squad? I'm very happy, no complaints. We need to get the result, so it is what it is. In Al Grimson we trust. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Eddie Guna, and always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, this is Amal Knight, Reggae Boy goalkeeper, and you're watching Eddie Vision channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys. Peace.